Hello students, today we will discuss about the memory unit. Memory unit is a part of CPU which is used to store large amount of data in storage. It is classified in internal and external memory. Internal means a memory which is built in with the CPU. The external memory means a memory which we can insert outside the CPU. Here, every computer has a certain amount of memory, usually referred to as the main memory. It means the internal memory is also known as main memory. This is called internal memory or primary memory. Primary memory is a place where data and programs are stored temporarily. It means the internal memory is responsible to keep the data only for the temporary. It is mainly used to execute the program. It is very fast and expensive but has limited storage capacity. Internal memory is of two types, which is known as RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. It is a type of computer internal memory that can be accessed randomly. It means we can access a part of memory randomly, which is known as RAM. So RAM is very fast memory and it does not follow the sequential access. Here we can access the data randomly, which can be cleared using the example. A blackboard is like a RAM that is constantly overwritten with the new data. The commonly used calculator is another example of RAM. Why RAM is a blackboard and the calculator is known as RAM? Because we can use our RAM every time with a new data. It means we can override the RAM. There are different types of RAM like DRAM, dynamic random access memory, SRAM, static random access memory, and SDRAM, synchronous dynamic random access memory. Nowadays we are using DDR, double data rate memory. It means it will show the speed of RAM. Basically it is used in i3, i5 and i7 processors. The next category of internal memory is ROM, which stands for read-only memory. It is a type of memory from which information can only by read. It means ROM stands for read-only memory. Here we does not write the new data and override the data with the existing data. We have to just read it. It means it is pre-written. We can read the data from the ROM. It is also a type of primary memory, and it is categorized in ROM, EEPROM, EEPROM, flash memory, and mask ROM. ROM stands for programmable read-only memory. It means once we can program our ROM. EEPROM means erasable programmable read-only memory. It means we can erase it more than once with the help of, we can erase this read-only memory and program it again and again. EEPROM stands for electronically erasable. It means in this ROM we can use a method to erase the data using electricity. The next is flash memory. It is a specific type of EEPROM. It is used to store the information and supply it without any power source. That's why it is known as flash memory. The another is mask ROM. It is masked. Actually, it is manufactured by different types of company, and company is going to manufacture it with the marked, which is also known as mask ROM. It means it is a branded type of memory which keep the brand of their manufacturers. The another is cache memory. It is pronounced as cache. It is a special high-speed memory which works in between the internal memory and the external memory. It is used to work like a breeze and support to process the data with the high speed. The next is external memory. It is broadly classified in CD, DVD, hard disk, etc. External memories are those memory which we can insert outside the computer, and we can use it to store large amount of data in our computer system. So the different types of modern storage device like memory card, pen drive, CD, DVD is known as the external.